How to add a focus widget on the iPad. Let me show you the options that we have available. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are more things which you might refer to as the focus widget. If you mean the thing in the control center, and if you delete it by any chance, just go to the control center, hold down on the toggles, click on the plus button at the bottom for adding a new control, and literally just look up the focus through the search. So you'll be able to re-add it back to the control center, and this widget or control will be always accessible, so you can tap it and enable or turn off the individual focus modes. If you would, however, want to add it to the home screen, well, we can also just try to edit the home screen page and, try to find the options there, try to see if the focus is available, but, it's not, so we cannot add a focus widget to the home screen. What we can do, however, is to add a focus shortcut to the home screen. So, as you know, there is the Shortcuts application available, which you can get inside, start a new shortcut, and decide that it's going to set a new focus mode, right? So you'll be able to see that one of the actions, it can be selected to be the focus mode, as I said. So you can set focus, you can decide the one you want to turn on or off, whatever. You set up the shortcut, but the point is that you're going to click on share and add it as an icon to the home screen. So anytime you want to enable it, you just click the icon and your iPad will go into that mode and it will start behaving differently. So it is very useful if you ask me. So many cool shortcuts can be combined with it as well, so you can explore it more, but that is generally how it functions on the iPad. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.